All right, this is the 2016 Nissan Rogue. All right, I'm going to go over the heating and air conditioning controls on this vehicle, okay? So I'm sitting right here. We're going to start from the left, and we're going to just work our way around, all right? It's very simple, all right? Right here, you have this button right here is for the defrosting or defogging of the windshield. Let me go ahead and press it. Now, the air is blowing on the windshield, as you can see, to defrost or defog the windshield, all right? Now, we're going to go right here. This right here is for controlling the temperature. If I want it warmer, I go all the way over here, twist it that way for warmer temperature. Other way for cooler temperature. As you can see, the temperature cooling down. And, all right, that's cool. And then we also have the on-off button. If you need to turn on your air conditioner, just simply press that to turn it off. You see the lights went off right here, and then turn it back on. You just press it like that. Okay, next you're going to go to mode. Okay, this right here is the mode. Now what the mode does, it toggles in between where you want the air to flow. We can go from feet and windshield to face, body, to body and feet, to just feet, and then back to feet and windshield. Okay, all right, that's cool. All right, so next let's go to fan speed. This right here is fan speed. The small fan decreases the fan speed, the large fan increases the fan speed. And I'm going to show you. Look at this. Fan speed increasing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn it back down. All right, that's cool. All right, actually, it gets a little bit colder than that. We're going to go to the right, okay? You see this AC button? If I press this, the air conditioner is turned on. Now, you want to turn your dial to the coldest temperature, okay? If you want that to work properly, okay? All right, next we have this right here. This is for the passenger side. The passenger can adjust his or her own temperature on that side if they want to. You see on the left it's 60 degrees, on the right it's 68 degrees. All right, you have that, but then there's also a synchronize button. All you have to do is just press this push dual. Watch this. You see how on the left it's 60 and the right 67? Watch me press dual. They both went to 60, okay? The driver trumps when it comes to temperature, all right? And to the right, you have the defrost button, okay? This is for the rear defrost of the window in the back, okay? You have that. You can turn it on and you can turn it off. All right, now that's the heating and cooling system on this particular model of a Nissan Rogue. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.